Hello everyone. So first time when you open Houdini, it will look like this. Okay, so first of all, we have to start understanding interface. Okay, sometimes this is full of Houdini is full of so many pains and editors, and that it looks frightening to some people, some newcomers, but it's really beautiful software, and I think every 3D artist must go through it once at least. This area is called main menu, okay, like other 3D softwares, okay, and same kind of things, almost same kind of things are there. Some are different, definitely. So when you go to file, you get the usual things, new file and open and save as, all these things are there. Okay, we will come to new project and set project, and okay, some more things, import and export, these are there. Okay, in the edit, so many things are there, just like other 3D softwares. Okay, cut, copy, paste and all that, but one thing is to be said here, and that is preferences. So when you want to change anything in Houdini, okay, you can come to preferences and you can do that. There is a shortcut also, that is control and comma, and then you get the preference menu. Okay, so then some render options are there. Okay, mantra and all that. Then digital asset menu is there, and then windows are there. Okay, and then help menu is there, just like other 3D softwares. And then comes the layout one. This is layout menu, and this is really good. This is really important and different. Okay, so by default we get the build layout. Okay, but if you are an animator and you want to change it to for the animation, then you can click here and then you can go to animate layout. Okay, and in the same manner you can click on some other ones, and but by default we are given the build one. Okay, you can also create your own layout, but I think this is the most comfortable one. So that is the menu part. Okay, so the second thing we have to understand are shelf. Okay, so this second part, this one is shelf, and Houdini is full of shells. Okay, so many shells are there, some creation and modification, and lights and cameras and rigid body and simulations. So this part is full of shelf, and we will definitely use them. This is play bar. Okay, this is playback options, and this is global animation options here. That is how many frames you want per second, and this is start frame, this is end frame. Okay, so you can choose from here, and this is real time toggle button. Okay, so that is there. But and then comes this display option. Okay, so these are display option like Maya. Maybe if you want to see some point or maybe primitive, and then you want to see their normals and their numbers. This is orthographic grid. If you don't want it, then click here, and then this is gone. Okay, in the same manner you can get the construction grid. Okay, this is construction grid, and it has so many usage. We'll come to this one while working on creating objects, but that is there.